Bonnie, happy Saturday! Day before Easter. We got to talk about this Mother's Day tote, you guys. Also, look what I found. I have my bonfire candle. This is coming back from Avon. It smells so good. It's got like a marshmallow, fireside-ish smell going on. It's wonderful. So, for those of you just joining me, I am an online Avon rep. All of my information is below, including the link to the Mother's Day tote, which I'm going to talk about. So many people are messaging me about this Mother's Day tote on social. I wanted to do a video about it. So I don't know when this thing's going to sell out. Honestly, they were a little bit late coming in, happening everywhere, but it is here now. So my recommendation is if you really want it, order it sooner than later. I don't know what it's made out of. I don't know if it's like a canvas tote. I don't know if it's silky. We will find out once I get it. I should get it like Monday or Tuesday. But what I like about this tote is you get 3 really nice Avon products, and it's only $24 with a $20 brochure purchase. So my advice is spend the $60, get the free shipping, and the $24 will count towards the $60. So then you only have to spend, what is that, like $36 plus the tote, and then you'll get the free shipping. So that's a great deal. So inside the tote, the first thing you're going to get is the new Esonax Anew Clinical Collagen Booster Eye Lift. I've been using this. I like it a lot. Check it out. You get the dual formula here. This is normally $22.99 when you shop with a rep. It's more if you don't shop with a rep. But this is a nice product. So at $22.99, that's almost gonna pay for the bag. The bag's $24. So then you're gonna get a Away Perfume. These are $16.99 if you shop with a rep. I love this scent. This one is Freesia Sheer Jasmine and Enticing Amber. It's a classic Avon scent. If you're wanting to try Avon perfume, this is a good one to start with. It's a good summer scent. I've always loved Far Away. It's very pretty. It's got like a fruity sweet scent to it. I think anyone would probably like this one. Great Mother's Day gift. And then you're gonna get the a new, I don't have this one in my stock here. The new, what is it? The Ultimate Performance Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 25. I wanted that because I like to wear SPF on my face for the summer. And like I said, I'm so excited about all of this new SPF products coming to Avon. But just to do the size comparison, this is not what you get in the bag, but this is a 1.7 ounce jar. So just to let you know, it's the big jar. It's not the tiny little sample jar that you're going to get as part of the Mother's Day thing. As you can see, it's the big jar. So if you've been needing to stock up on any of your, Anew products, the eye cream, the face cream, you can get this for a really good price, and then you get the tote thrown in. So I just want to let everyone know about the Mother's Day bag. I should have it in my hands, I want to say, like Tuesday, I hope. Don't forget to head over to the video I did last night because I'm doing the Bug Guard giveaway. I will pick the winner tomorrow. The giveaway goes until midnight tonight, and then I will put a note on the comment of the winner, and then I will announce the winner next week one day when I'm doing a video. Also, I got to point out, if you were looking for the most fabulous Mother's Day gift or gift for yourself, definitely check out this necklace. I will put the link to the necklace below. I got this. This is so pretty. I almost think, believe it or not, I could wear this necklace with this shirt. It'd be a funky casual look. I feel like this necklace just goes with everything. This is going to be a signature piece for me this summer. I've always been a fan of like pretty rhinestones and stuff. And this one to me is like funky. It's casual. It's just so pretty. I love when Avon does their statement pieces like this because they do a really good job on them. So I'm going to put a link below to the necklace. The necklace is actually $29.99, but it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to point that out too. So anyway, got lots of cool stuff coming. I'll be getting the Mother's Day tote. We got candles coming. I love the way this one smells. And don't forget to check out the necklace. So anyway, I hope everyone has an awesome Easter. I will be back Monday with more Avon videos. Monday, Tuesday, whenever that bag comes. I got to show you the bag. And then I will have the giveaway winner. Hope everyone, like I said, has a wonderful Easter tomorrow. I will see you guys then. Bye-bye.